Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Phosphate Test Kit. What is AquaChek Phosphate Test Kit? AquaChek Phosphate Test Kit contains everything you need to quickly test your pool for high levels of phosphates, which can cause uncontrollable algae growth that algaecides are powerless against. Phosphates are the primary food source of algae, and their removal will quickly kill off any growth in your pool. Product benefits: gives accurate results after only 60 seconds. Measures phosphate from 0 to 1,000 parts per billion. 20 tests per bottle. Usage directions. Step 1. Rinse test vial. Fill to the top line with water from the pool. Step 2. Empty 1 powder packet into the vial. Cap vial and shake gently for 1 minute to dissolve the powder. Step 3. Remove cap from vial. Hold the vial on the supplied color chart near the color blocks. Look down through the vial and compare it to the various squares until you find the best match. You must do this within 2 minutes of opening to obtain an accurate phosphate level in parts per billion. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.